Hey, what's up everybody? I'm by the sea and I'm making spider costumes. My daughter wanted to be a spider this Halloween and I figured I could gather a few things and make a cute, easy spider costume. I got some glow-in-the-dark googly eyes in varying sizes, a feather boa, some black embroidery floss and a needle, a black sweatsuit, and a black beanie. I laid out the eyes like a cute jumping spider, then attached them to the hat with some hot glue. I then got started making the legs. My toddler's 2 arms and 2 legs take care of 4 of the spider's legs, so I needed to make 4 out of this boa, and attach them to the sides and arms of her sweatshirt. I cut the boa into 4 pieces and secured the cut ends by wrapping them with embroidery floss and sealing them with a dab of hot glue. I then attached one end of each boa leg to the shirt by making a knot in one end of the embroidery floss and threading it through the shirt from the inside, then threaded it through the secured end of each leg, then back through the outside of the shirt. I then secured it in place by tying both ends in a knot on the inside of the shirt. Once the legs were attached, I threaded some embroidery floss with a knot on the free end through the inside of the cuff of the arm, and let the other end drape over the legs. I tied knots to attach the legs a few inches from the ends. And that's it. If you want them shorter, you can just wrap the legs around the floss to shorten them a little bit, which I might do when she's ready to go trick-or-treating. But she likes it and is excited to be a cute little spider.